Every fandom on Earth uses these. If you learn only a few fandom words, make it these, and how to attach them to anything. Let's go.
최애, 차애, 최그룹.
These are the identity words of being a fan, who you love most, and how to say it. One by one.
덕질이 기본 단어야.
First. It means your absolute favorite, your bias. From best plus love. Your number one.
최애, 내 최애.
Say choae. My bias is set in stone. Do you have a bias?
내 최애는 정해져 있어?
A new fan asks who your favorite member is. You answer without hesitation.
내 최애. 당연히 정해져 있지?
Works beyond K-pop, favorite character, food, anything. Your number one of any category.
최애 캐릭터, 최애 음식.
Word 2. Your second favorite, the runner-up. Means next, so is your next in line love.
차애. 최애도 있고 차애도 있어?
I love my second favorite too. Fans often have a full ranked list, and beyond.
차애도 진짜 좋아.
Another member keeps stealing your attention, your bias wrecker. In Korean, they're becoming your new.
차애가 자꾸 최애 되려고 해.
When a bias wrecker takes over completely, fans say, my bias changed. The ultimate fandom crisis.
어떻게 최애 바뀌었어?
Now the power move, attached to anything. Favorite group. Favorite song.
최애 그룹, 최애 곡.
Put in front of any noun to mean my favorite blank. Instantly natural.
최애 그룹, 최애 앨범, 최애 무대.
Someone asks which group you'd pick if you could only stand one. Easy.
내 최애 그룹은 하나야.
Fans with one group call it their home base. We'll cover fan types later. For now, is your ride or die.
최애 그룹은 본진이야.
These are everyday fan words, totally fine in comments, chats, even casual conversation. Not slangy, just fandom culture.
팬 문화 단어. 편하게 써도 돼.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Your bias. Your second favorite. Your favorite group.
최애, 차애, 최애 그룹.
Your mission, tell me your end in the comments, in Korean. Blank. I'll reply to as many as I can. Subscribe for more fandom words.
내 최애는 댓글에 써봐.